Are you struggling with clutter in your home or workspace? Finding the right storage solution can feel impossible with so many options available. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 steel wire storage shelves of 2026, highlighting what makes each one unique. Whether you need extra space in your garage or a stylish solution for your kitchen, we've got you covered. Stick around because the number 1 pick may surprise you, offering unmatched durability and flexibility that every homeowner will appreciate. Sakugi Storage Shelves. The Sakugi storage shelves are a great choice for those who need versatility in their storage solutions. Designed with adjustable shelves, these units can easily adapt to accommodate items of various heights, making them perfect for everything from kitchen supplies to garage tools. The steel wire construction ensures durability, capable of holding significant weight, while the open design facilitates airflow, keeping items fresh. It's particularly well suited for users who want easy access to their goods, but may find assembly a bit challenging, as it requires some time and effort to put together. FDW45L x 18W x 82 H wire shelving unit storage cart metal. The FDW45L x 18W x 82H wire shelving unit is ideal for commercial settings or larger home projects. With its generous dimensions, this shelving unit provides ample space for storing bulk items, equipment, or supplies. The metal construction ensures a sturdy frame that can withstand heavy loads, making it suitable for warehouses or retail environments. Users appreciate the mobility of this storage cart, complete with rolling wheels for easy movement. However, one minor drawback is its size. It may not fit well in compact areas, limiting its use in smaller rooms. BestOffice 4-tier wire storage shelves, 36 by 14 by 54. If you're looking for an efficient way to organize your workspace or kitchen, the BestOffice 4-tier wire storage shelves are a fantastic option. With a sleek design, these shelves can fit neatly into tight spaces, while providing 4 sturdy tiers to hold everything from books to decorative items. The chrome finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also protects against rust and corrosion, making it suitable for various environments. It's perfect for home office enthusiasts, but some users may note that the assembly instructions could be clearer for a smoother setup. Amazon Basics 5 Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Steel Wire. The Amazon Basics 5 Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Steel Wire unit is a powerful organizational tool for any household. With 5 adjustable shelves, this unit offers flexibility to accommodate different storage needs, from pantry items to tools in the garage. Its robust steel wire construction provides exceptional durability, ensuring it can handle heavy loads without bending or warping. This makes it an excellent choice for busy households and small businesses alike. However, while it's designed for strength, some customers have noted that it can be quite heavy to move once fully loaded, requiring careful consideration of placement during assembly. Amazon Basics 5 Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Steel Wire. Taking our top spot, the Amazon Basics 5 Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Steel Wire unit shines in terms of both functionality and value. Its innovative design allows for easy height adjustments, making it versatile for various items. This shelving unit is ideal for anyone looking to maximize storage space without sacrificing strength or stability. Users love its simple yet sleek design, which works well in any room, from the garage to the living room. Its only possible drawback is that its assembly requires some time, but the long-term benefits of organization and durability make it well worth the effort. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this breakdown of the top 5 steel wire storage shelves has helped you find the perfect solution for your space. Each product has unique features that cater to different needs, ensuring there's something for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you're considering.